Multi-effects pedals aren't just for beginners anymore. They've seriously grown up. These days, thanks to crazy good digital modeling, a single multi-FX can cover your home practice, studio sessions, and even your live rig without breaking a sweat. So instead of dragging around a whole board of individual stomp boxes, you can get killer amps, cabs, and effects all in one box, and actually spend more time playing than tap dancing. All the product links are in the description if you want to dive deeper or check the latest prices. Let's plug in and get started. 1. Eventide H9 Max. The H9 is one of the best pedals available and can fill multiple roles on your pedal board. The H9 Control app makes it easy to adjust parameters, and the software can be updated to keep it future-proof. The Eventide H9 is simply amazing. It's practically an entire pedal board in a single stomp box, so it can fill virtually any role. Eventide has been putting rack-grade effects in their pedals for years, but the H9 Max takes it to a new level. 2. Fender Tone Master Pro. The Fender Tone Master Pro is an innovative multi-effects guitar workstation that lives up to the exceptional sonic standards set by the Tone Master series. It combines this renowned sonic quality with a user-friendly interface and the most comprehensive I/O array available. With over 100 of the world's most popular amps and effects, including classic Tone Master Fender models and the officially licensed EVH 534 Stealth model, the Tone Master Pro leaves no sonic stone unturned. 3. Mooer GE300. Mooer is a relatively new entrant into the multi-effects world, but has certainly made an impact at a variety of price points. The GE300 is a great value for money, and while it's not a big brand, it's definitely worth a look. The Mooer GE300's 164 onboard effects are just the first of many impressive features, putting many extensive pedal boards and other multi-effects systems to shame. Combine these effects with 108 preamps, and you've got all the makings of a great amp modeler. And you can even model your own amps with Mooer's tone capture software. 4. Boss GT1000 Guitar Effects. Processor. The Boss GT1000 Guitar Effects processor is all about great sound, featuring cutting-edge effects, amp models, and Boss's groundbreaking AIRD, Augmented Impulse Response Dynamics technology. This technology takes the device to the next level. It doesn't just replicate classic amps and effects. It captures their dynamic responses for incredible realism. 5. Headrush MX5. Following the acclaimed pedal board, Headrush's MX5 aims to pack all that processing power into a device that can fit in front of your Gigabyte. Don't be fooled by the small size of this excellent multi-effects pedal, which features beautifully detailed amp models, a variety of FX, and an expression pedal. The emulated amp sounds are incredibly detailed and realistic. They interact well with your playing dynamics, making them feel satisfyingly real. 6. Boss GX100 Guitar and Bass Effects Processor. The Boss GX100 Guitar and Bass Effects Processor is a true game-changer for musicians seeking top-notch sound quality and unrivaled creative possibilities. This pedal focuses on sonic excellence, boasting 24-bit AD and 32-bit DA conversion, 32-bit floating-point processing, and a 48 kHz sampling rate, ensuring exceptional sound. The secret to its performance lies in Boss's exclusive AIRD, Augmented Impulse Response Dynamics, technology. 7. Line 6 Helix LT Streamlined HX Guitar Effects Processor. The Helix LT Guitar Processor delivers class-leading performance, flexibility, and control, featuring the same powerful dual DSP processing and award-winning HX modeling technology found in the flagship Helix Floor and Helix Rack guitar processors. The streamlined I/O complement and hardware configuration still makes it more affordable for budget-conscious guitarists who want to access the power of Helix. The Helix LT is also the ideal backup processor for Helix Floor and Helix Rack owners, as the presets for all three are compatible. 8. Boss GT1000. Boss's GT series of multi-effects are as old as time itself, but the GT1000 seems to be from the future. The 1000 is portable, powerful, and incredibly durable, making it a reliable Boss option for anyone looking for a solid, high-quality guitar tone. The GT1000's multi-effects capabilities are truly extensive, with over 145 different types of effects to choose from. And that's it. Let me know your thoughts or experiences in the comments. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll catch you in the next review.